Hey, I'm Morten. Welcome to the lab. This is a short introduction to the mini-series Refactoring Grafto towards a version 1 release, where we over the next many episodes will be making Grafto ready for version 1. Grafto is a starter template aimed at building SaaS products. It borrows much of its methodology from Laravel or Rails, but trying to stick as much as possible to how Go does things, so still keeping it idiomatic Go. The number one focus here is productivity, which means keeping the number of moving parts to a minimum. And you'll see that we try to use Postgres as much as possible. We try to provide you with a simple authentication flow, waitlist flow, a simple way to manage your subscribers. I'm not really sure how many episodes it will end up being in the end. We might change stuff around as we learn more and more. The development process is literally build it, test it, evaluate, and then change as necessary. So not really sure how many episodes this will be, but the main goal is getting this ready so that a one-person team can actually start using this to build SaaS products. So that's it. See you in the next one.